Hello everybody, I want to show you this product called FryAway. Okay, what this actually is supposed to do, I haven't used it yet, but I intend to use it when I do some deep frying and I have a lot of oil that I want to discard of. Nobody wants to put the oil, the hot oil or the whatever kind of oil you got left over after you fried some chicken or fried a batch of fish or whatever you use a bunch of oil to fry. Nobody wants to throw that in your drain. That should never ever go in there. And then once you have it, then what do you do with it? Okay, that's what this is for. This is what they say you do. You sprinkle 1 packet of FlyAway pan fry powder in per 2 cups of hot oil. This is after you finish using it. You put that in there, and then stir until FryAway powder is fully dissolved, and then allow the oil to cool, and then you'll be able to just scoop it up and take it and discard, put it in the garbage, which is good because you, like I said, nobody wants this in their system. Nobody. So this is what I'm going to be using when I'm doing some frying. I'm going to just put some of this in there, let it get hard so I can just scoop it right out, throw it in the garbage, and that's why they call it FryAway. But that's what I'm going to be using it for.